This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV 24/7.
Yoga is on top of the world, literally. We're coming to you from the tallest building in Europe. In London, definitely. This is the Shard. It couldn't have gotten grander than this. With me is Mr. Navdeep Sarna, Indian Envoy, High Commissioner here in London of India. Thank you very much for arranging this, because this is such a, not just a beautiful view, but it's just so good to see London as early as this time, which really rarely happens. What has the response been in London City?
The response has been tremendous. Actually, we did our biggest event was on Sunday, on 19 January. We decided to do it on a Sunday to maximize the impact. It was at the feet of the Tower Bridge at the Potter's Park, and we had throughout the day about 10,000 people coming in different groups and practicing yoga and meditation. Yesterday we had a boat with yoga going down the Thames River, and it was pouring rain, and you could see people doing it on the deck of the boat. There have been several other events all over the UK, organized by our consulates, organized by independent yoga institutions in cooperation with the High Commission. So all over the country there have been events, and this event we thought would literally be the top of the line thing, and do it literally so, and do it at this height. And these events have been going on at this venue since 4 this morning. So people have been here since 4 a.m. in different groups, and they will continue into the forenoon with this. So I think this is in a way, it's a symbol of how far we want to reach, how high we want to go.
Surely. Mr. Sarna, could you briefly share with us any anecdote somebody here shared? Because I see a lot of people performing yoga here, breathing in deep indeed. So many of them are English more than Indian. Anybody who had something interesting to share?
Well, when you first take a look, and we always have this thing that, we are trying to introduce yoga, and you're amazed that most of the people who are coming here, many of them are new, but so many of them come and say, I have been doing yoga since I was 5 years old. Yes, this morning a gentleman came to me and said, and I thought he was just coming to take out of curiosity value. So he said, no, I've been doing yoga since I was 5. So there are amazing experiences. You come by, and people share these things. Different groups doing slightly different variations of the discipline. But the important thing is that people are trying to internalize this. They are trying to make it part of their daily routine. It's going beyond being regarded as a set of stretching exercises to actually a philosophy of how you reconnect to yourself in a completely hardwired world where you're sort of reaching out to everybody in a frenetic pace. This is a moment of reflection. How do you reconnect to yourself? How do you look inwards?
This is one city where people really look like if they're on a fast-forward mode, because everyone's running to catch their tubes. I'm going to be quiet for about 10 seconds because I'd like you to just hear the buzz around here. It's very rare that London is as quiet as this. It's also very rare that the skies are as blue and less cloudy, but it's all come together to make it just that much more beautiful. Yoga coming to you from right on top of London City. Thank you very much for joining us on NDTV.